The first flagships powered by the upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 will be from Xiaomi 16 series. Xiaomi 16 series may launch in around 24 to 26 September. A new leaked CAD render has revealed the design of the upcoming Xiaomi 16. The Leica branding has been moved to the bottom right of the camera module. The LED flash stays on the right side of the rear camera area. The render also shows a dual-tone back. The darker part may be a cutout for a wireless charging coil. The Xiaomi 16 is said to sport a thin and light build. It is said to have a compact form factor with a 6.32-inch flat display with narrow bezels on all sides. The phone has an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. It will run on the upcoming HyperOS 3.0 UI, which is likely to be overlaid on Android 16 OS. A 50MP main camera using an OmniVision sensor, a 50MP ultrawide, and a 50MP telephoto camera using Samsung's ISOCELL JN5 sensor. For selfies, there's a 32MP shooter. Xiaomi 16 is tipped to pack a massive 7000 mAh battery paired with 100W wired and 50W wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.